Hello everyone, welcome back to Sound King. Today, I have this JBL Flip 5. This is going to be a review. This is an older speaker, so maybe I will get the JBL Flip 6. I don't know yet, but for today is going to be a JBL Flip 5. A review, a test on the sound, and just overall how the speaker actually is. So, got this one. And it has everything. If you own a JBL, it has everything you know. We got the power, we got the Bluetooth, we got the pairing, we got the minus button, turn the sound down if it's too loud, plus or turn it up if it's too quiet, obviously. So this one is the hold it down, or I'm sorry, press it twice fast. It will skip forward on the song if you don't like the song. This will actually pause it too. You have to hold it down to have it go again. I don't know why. I think it's just to not get confused. Then the logo. And what I've noticed about this JBL speaker is that it has passive radiators, and that helps with the bass. Boom, boom. Very aggressive bass, if you like aggressive bass. If you get one of these, you will notice there is no speaker on this side, but there is one on this side. So left side does have one, right side does not. I don't know why that is, but I think they actually installed two speakers on the JBL Flip 6. I don't know, I only looked at it. So let's get straight into the turning on of the speaker. So you hear the classic sound where it starts up and everything. Then you hear it connect to your phone. It's not that hard. All you got to do is turn on Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth. If you have a problem, press this, and that'll search for your phone. This is the how much battery you got left. Sometimes not the most accurate, but whatever. If it's there, it's there. It's not, it's not. Here is the charging port. C charger, so you could charge it with a Chromebook. I wouldn't recommend it though. Just charge it with the Chromebook charger, but just charge it with the normal charger that it comes with always. Emergency, you can use it. So yeah, carry along. It is waterproof, but I wouldn't recommend putting it under water. Just put it by water where it gets a couple drops on it. It's not going to destroy it. But yeah, let's get straight into the sound. Okay, we're back. Now we got the music queued up, so let's see how it does and what does it sound like. I have tested this music a little bit. It's kind of fluffy. I think that's just the music, but we're going to be testing a bunch of music just to make sure the speaker sounds good. You should buy it, everything. So, let's go. Little bass. Sounds good overall. Like I said, it does have a little static because of the song, but overall, let's see how good it sounds. Sounds pretty good overall. Let's switch songs here. Plenty of bass. Definitely a very powerful speaker if you're just chilling on the deck or something. I don't recommend it for bringing it to dance parties. If there's louder speakers, because it will just get drowned out. I'm sorry for saying that, but it will. It is amazing for just chilling though, or on like a golf course if you're trying to listen to something. Let's get some other music queued up. This one's heavy bass, which is good. Pretty good. So it's very heavy bass. It sounds amazing. So that's probably going to wrap it up. I mean, there's not really much else I could say, except if you really want one, they're going to be around $99 to $100. Mid-expensive, not cheap, not really the most expensive. Some of them are $300, $400, $500. That's the party ones. But little ones like this, like the Party Boost, or no, that's not. That's this. Oh, forgot to tell you. So, if you have another JBL speaker, same thing, flips or anything, or any speaker, I think, you can pair them with each other, called the Party Boost. Now, what has to be done? You have to have the speaker next to it, and you have to press them both at the same time or near each other. So, not really that hard, and it will sound even better. So, that's about all. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you like more, or if you want more of these videos, or you have any criticism, please tell me so I can improve. Thank you. Have a great day.